Were you aware that Tesla produces semis? What gives them their power? They are electric, much like their vehicles. They are, in fact, so much more than that. We'll learn in this video what makes Tesla semis unique from the competition and how the business is changing the transportation industry. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons first in order to learn more about Tesla and to activate YouTube's algorithm. Then keep checking back for more updates. With the public launch of the Tesla Semi 6 months ago, we learned a great deal more about this new class of electric vehicles and how companies like PepsiCo, who were among the company's first commercial clients, are utilizing them. It's important to keep in mind that our examination of the Tesla Semi's performance assessment during its initial rollout in the commercial trucking industry is still in its early phases. Tesla is entering a market where the regulations regulating electric heavy transportation are still being developed by venturing into this uncharted territory. We are able to witness this unfold in real time. This is a thorough examination of the 2023 Tesla Semi. With respect to the details of the semi-truck, Tesla has remained remarkably silent. Therefore, PepsiCo and its subsidiary, Frito-Lay, who are our original customers, are the source of the majority of our data. Surprisingly, PepsiCo, a company best recognized for its junk food products, has shown a significant commitment to sustainability and environmental protection. Along with Walmart and UPS, they were among Tesla's largest customers, having placed an order for a total of 100 semi-units back in 2017. Furthermore, its commercial fleet currently consists of 9 more BYD and Peterbilt electric cars in addition to 39 natural gas-powered Volvo trucks. Currently, there are 2 Tesla semi-fleets in operation. One is a batch that Tesla introduced at the Frito-Lay plant in Modesto, California in April. It consists of 15 trucks. Another 21 semis were delivered to the PepsiCo bottling plant, which is situated close to Sacramento. We also have some understanding of how these semis are used in practice. During interviews, Michael O'Donnell, Vice President of Supply Chain at PepsiCo, said that the trucks based at Frito-Lay and Modesto often cover 425 miles on a single charge, typically covering 100 miles nonstop to shops. Every now and again, the trucks that deliver Pepsi from Sacramento can cover distances of up to 400 miles between warehouses. When asked about promoting the 500-mile fully loaded travel capacity of the Tesla Semi, Pepsi remained silent. Since potato chips are lighter than soda, we may infer from the statistics that using an electric truck to transport them over longer distances is easier. This finding may not be groundbreaking, but it is nonetheless important to research. It's crucial to consider a few factors before determining that the Tesla Semi isn't operating properly. First of all, it makes sense that PepsiCo is reluctant to push the vehicles to their maximum limits too soon, if at all, given the substantial financial investment they are making to a novel product. Currently, Tesla uses a traditional nickel-cobalt-manganese battery cell for its semi-product process. Any electric vehicle that uses a lithium-ion battery with a nickel base should aim to maintain its state of charge between 10 and 90%. When a battery is fully charged or discharged to zero, it puts stress on its chemistry and reduces its lifespan. As a business that prioritizes return on investment, PepsiCo is cautious not to overtax its Tesla battery packs out of concern for their well-being. Furthermore, because real-world road conditions are unpredictable and trucks may encounter traffic, construction zones, or detours, buffer zones must be considered. PepsiCo drives the Tesla truck cautiously in part because of these factors. The Pepsi and Frito-Lay plants are home to the only EV chargers that can fuel the powerful Tesla Semi trucks, according to an exclusive update. According to the Pepsi operators, Tesla Semis cannot be recharged outside of the corporation. These Tesla Semis are equipped with a massive 1000 kW OBEP, which is very amazing, and the Tesla Mega Chargers can provide an incredible 750 kW of power for recharging. According to experienced truck drivers, a Tesla semi-truck can be charged with this setup in approximately 30 minutes, going from nearly empty to 70% of its full capacity. With 70% charge, the truck is said to be able to go 400 kilometers. It's important to keep in mind that these are not official Tesla statistics, but rather the truckers' accounts from an interview they conducted in the parking lot with Motor Trend reporters. A Reddit user who had the opportunity to go inside a Tesla semi-truck with the Pepsi branding shares an interesting anecdote from unofficial sources. In their April piece, they featured pictures of the truck display, which showed a 374-mile range. Sadly, there was no method to view the percent of the battery. To set the scene, the truck's GPS chart indicated that it was around 25 miles away from the Pepsi bottling factory. The reported range and the actual distance traveled are exactly the same, since the car had a 400-mile range and had only used 70% of its charge when it departed. It's currently unknown how much Tesla's long-range semi-truck will cost, but we do know that Pepsi was able to secure significant government funding for their Tesla trucks. Pepsi received a staggering $15 million in state and local funding to assist in funding the acquisition of Tesla trucks and the required infrastructure for charging them. They also received an extra $40,000 from the federal government for each car through the Inflation Reduction Act, according to a Yahoo story. This suggests that, at least in California, several financial incentives render the cost of these trucks insignificant. Unexpectedly, the Sacramento Metropolitan Air Quality Management District played a major role, contributing a sizable $4.5 million grant to finance 18 of the 21 vehicles, or around $250,000 for every Tesla Semi. The purposeful reduction in pricing by Tesla is indicative of its operational efficiency and resilience in the face of recent developments in the electric car industry, such as the financial results of Lucid and Rivian and Fisker's manufacturing challenges caused by software bugs. People who switched to Tesla before these price cuts may be understandably upset, but it's crucial to consider what has happened over the last 2 years, including a semiconductor shortage, groundbreaking advancements in lithium technology, and significant shifts in market output. Despite these challenges, Tesla continues to dominate the EV market and have an overwhelming 60% market share. If you're a dedicated Tesla investor, you have to admit that you're optimistic about the company's future. But it's crucial to keep in mind that there are still a lot of intriguing long-term investing possibilities available in the market. Many Tesla semis are said to have broken down, which raises concerns about the product's durability. 8 instances of Tesla semis being towed or becoming stuck on the side of the road were received after the vehicle was in use for 6 months straight. But it looks like software faults are the cause of the issue rather than any mechanical ones. Truck drivers have experienced problems with their displays, including flickering or even complete shutdowns. Using external cameras to monitor blind spots is only one of the many things that require the touchscreen to operate in a vehicle. Drivers become terrified and often pull over as a result of these issues, which results in their trucks being towed to a secret Tesla facility inland in California. While not a dire situation, it is still not the best one. Given Tesla's reputation for providing over-the-air software updates, it's feasible that these issues can be fixed fast. It appears likely that Tesla has already resolved the issue, considering how long it has been since the previous report of a stranded Tesla truck. In addition, Tesla just released a white paper titled Master Plan Part 3 that contains more information about the future of the Tesla Semi. The white paper includes a chart that lists several vehicle kinds, battery chemistry, pack size, and production volume. Tesla divides its large trucks into 2 categories, semi-light and semi-heavy. The semi-heavy variant, which has been the focus of discussion up to this point, has a high nickel battery cathode pack size of 800 kWh. However, given Tesla's desire to lighten its vehicles and increase efficiency, several drivers are asserting that their trucks contain 1,000 kWh packs. This may indicate that pack sizes will eventually be decreased or rounded up. But the future of the semi-light Tesla vehicle is still unknown. Notably, Tesla plans to employ the less costly LFP battery chemistry,